Hello and welcome to How to Automotive's New Tool Thursday. Today we're featuring VIM Tools magnetic socket rails. So these magnetic socket rails come in double rails, single rails. They come in multiple colors and the adapters to fit to 3/4, half-inch, 3/8, quarter-inch, and deep sockets. So they're designed where you can mix and match the 3/8 and half-inch, quarter-inch adapters on each mag rail. So if you're familiar with any of my videos, you know I've been using these for a long time. I mainly use them in my roll cart to help keep me organized, but now we're going to switch over to the main toolbox here and try to downsize some of these cases and make more room. I got a couple already started here. So as you can see, these blow molded cases are really nice to keep your sockets organized, but they take up a ton of space. So what we're going to do is try to get a couple of these cases out of here and lay these out. And we're going to do a little customization. So like I mentioned before, you can mix and match these adapters on each one of the rails so you can customize it. So you can have 3/8 and quarter-inch and half-inch all on one rail. All you do is loosen up the tab here and slide it down the rail. And once you slide it to the position you like, you just twist it and it'll lock into place and you lock it down. So I got one of these rails all set up and locked down and positioned in my toolbox, and I went ahead and took the sockets out of these cases here and started laying them out here. As you can see, this case is quite large and takes up a ton of space. The previous set of sockets were all 3/8, but this one is a mix of half-inch, 3/8, and quarter-inch drive. And so that's what we're going to do. We're going to set this rail up with all the mixture of the sockets and get it all laid out. Now with these set up, you can clearly see how much more room I have in my toolbox. So not only does it keep me organized, but it also gives me more space to grow. So if you need help with your organization, I recommend these magnetic socket rails by VIM Tools. If you're viewing this on YouTube, you can find the links for them in the description of the video. If you're watching this on Instagram, inbox me and I will send you a link for these. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to follow along for more valuable tool videos like this. Thank you again.